Determining digital marketing effectiveness can be really confusing if you don't know what you're looking for. In today's video, we're going to discuss a few important PPC stats that every business owner and marketer needs to keep a close eye on. Two of the most important stats a person can keep up with are ROI and ROAS. ROI, as you might already know, stands for return on investment, while ROAS is an acronym for return on ad spend. These are the KPIs your business needs to keep track of if your goal with PPC advertising is to make money. While this old thing could help you calculate these stats, it's easier and more effective to do this all within your Google Ads or Microsoft advertising accounts. It is here that we can find these important performance KPIs. To pinpoint ROAS, for example, select a campaign, click on the columns page, then select Modify Columns. Expand the conversion drop-down menu, and check the conversion value over cost option before hitting the Apply button. With this PPC stat now in plain view, you can get a quick idea how your ads are performing and, more importantly, how much money your ads are raking in. In order to accurately conclude if your PPC strategy is effective, you need to look at your cost per lead or cost per acquisition stats. This will tell you how much, on average, it costs your business in ad spend to earn a sale, phone call, or whatever your business is going after. Profitability is more than simply determining if your ads are bringing in customers or not. Clicks and product sales might be going up, but you need to make sure these sales are resulting in net income for your business. To put this PPC stat into context, you're going to need to consider the margins for each sale or lead. It's a good strategy to keep CPL and CPA lower than the profit you make from a sale, but keep in mind a customer's lifetime value if it's momentarily higher. Let's go over to Google Ads to see where we can find this information. First, select a campaign you'd like to get more information on and go back to the Modify Columns page. Choose the conversion drop-down menu again, but this time, check the cost over conversion option and hit the Apply button. Checking in on these PPC stats regularly will help you know which ads could use improved strategies. It's good to know how much a product sale resulting from an ad is going to cost you. Not bad. Do you know where in the world your customers are located? What about your ad clicks? Where are those occurring? By taking a deep dive into the location data in your Google Ads and Microsoft advertising accounts, you can discover the answers to these questions. Use the insight you find to build out highly targeted ad-serving strategies based on what the location data is telling you. For example, if your PPC stats indicate certain cities or states are buying more than others, you might want to consider bidding a little more aggressively in those areas. Let's go back into Google Ads to find out where this information lives. Choose a campaign and hit the Locations tab on the top left-hand side. Click on the Geographic Report drop-down menu and select User Location Report. You can view this information by country, state, city, and even postal code. With the knowledge you gain from this report, you can customize keyword bids based on hard data. If one state is performing way better than others, it might be a good idea to be a little bit more aggressive there to gain on your competition. Which one's Kansas again? In a virtually connected world, you can reach users online from any place at any time. To devise a better PPC strategy, you need to have a good grasp on where your ads are being clicked at and at what stage in the buying process these users are on each device. In line with how you'd look through your location data to find trends in your PPC stats, you can do the same with device data. The information you find in your account can help you devise better, more efficient ad strategies. Now let's jump back into an account to see where the information lies. First, select the campaign you'd like more information on. Then, explore the Devices tab of that individual campaign. As you can see, you can tell in an instant what devices your ad clicks are happening on. How this data looks will be entirely different from business to business and from keyword to keyword, so it's important to study up on how intention differs between devices. Think about how you use these different devices for different purposes. No way, this still has Flappy Bird on it. Where your ads appear on a search engine results page can greatly affect how they will perform. Taking a critical look at your ad position data can help you determine ways to increase efficiency in your PPC accounts. Let's dive back into the account one last time to determine where these stats lie. First, select a campaign and click on the Columns page. Then select Modify Columns. Expand the Performance drop-down menu and check the impression absolute top percent and impression top percent options before hitting the apply button. Generally speaking, ads that appear in the top few positions, aka above the fold, get much more attention and have much higher click-through rates. By examining the top and absolute top performance data, you can get a good feel where your ads are showing on the search engine results page. These PPC stats will allow you to determine which keywords are already appearing high on the results page and which ones need a boost. Depending on what the first position bid estimate is, it won't always make sense to shoot for the #1 position with every keyword. You want to logically position yourself based on return on investment. So, get started by looking through these and other PPC stats. The changes outlined in this video can take a while to show results, but you should see improvements over time. So that's it for our 5 PPC stats to keep an eye on. If you learned something from this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Just click the button below this video. And if you're interested in a professional evaluation of your PPC stats, you can schedule a free Google Ads and Microsoft Advertising digital marketing consultation with us by clicking on the link in the description below. Now, I want to turn it over to you. Which of these stats are you going to look at first? Are you going to look at your ROI and ROAS, or are you going to check out your ad position data? Let me know by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching.